Everyone noticed how all of us our dead character 𝒚𝒊𝒏𝒏𝒚𝒔𝒕𝒖���� stayed calm, observant, and focused even during chaos. Her study style was never loud or flashy. She listened carefully, noticed details, stayed independent, and used silence as power. While everyone around her panicked, she stayed mentally strong and thought clearly before acting. That's why so many students relate to her energy. Student life today can feel overwhelming too. Pressure, competition, distractions, and constant stress everywhere. Studying like 𝒚𝒊𝒏𝒏𝒚𝒔𝒕𝒖���� is about quiet discipline, deep focus, emotional control, and improving yourself silently without needing attention or validation from others. Here are realistic study habits inspired by 𝒚𝒊𝒏𝒏𝒚𝒔𝒕𝒅𝒊𝒐𝒐. 1. Silent observation. 𝒚𝒊𝒏𝒏𝒚𝒔𝒕𝒅𝒊𝒐𝒐 never wasted energy talking too much. In class, she noticed everything quietly. To study like her, become an observer. Sit away from distractions, listen carefully to teachers, and write small details others ignore. Instead of rereading chapters 10 times, focus deeply once. Watch patterns in questions, understand concepts, and stay calm under pressure. During study sessions, keep your phone away and let silence become your advantage. 𝒚𝒊𝒏𝒏𝒚𝒔𝒕𝒅𝒊𝒐𝒐 intelligence came from awareness, not overworking. The more focused and observant you become, the faster your brain connects information naturally. Quiet students are often the ones understanding the most behind the scenes. 2. Calm under pressure. Even during dangerous situations, 𝒚𝒊𝒏𝒏𝒚𝒔𝒕𝒅𝒊𝒐𝒐 stayed emotionally controlled. Students can learn from that mindset during exams. When everyone panics before tests, stay calm and organized. Create short revision lists instead of stressing over unfinished chapters. Take slow breaths, drink water, and focus on one topic at a time. Panic makes studying harder, but calmness improves memory and concentration. 𝒚𝒊𝒏𝒏𝒚𝒔𝒕𝒅𝒊𝒐𝒐 never reacted loudly to fear. She thought before acting. During exams, avoid comparing yourself with classmates. Your only competition is yesterday's version of yourself. A calm mind remembers more information, solves problems faster, and makes fewer careless mistakes during stressful situations. 3. Independent study energy. 𝒚𝒊𝒏𝒏𝒚𝒔𝒕𝒅𝒊𝒐𝒐 often looked isolated, but she was mentally strong and self-reliant. To study like her, learn how to study alone without constantly needing motivation from friends. Create a personal routine and follow it even when nobody checks on you. Use quiet mornings or late evenings for focused study sessions. Instead of waiting to feel motivated, start small and build momentum naturally. 𝒚𝒊𝒏𝒏𝒚𝒔𝒕𝒅𝒊𝒐𝒐 trusted her own thinking more than outside noise. Independent students become powerful because they stop depending on perfect conditions. Real discipline means continuing even when nobody praises you. Your future changes the moment self-study becomes part of your identity. 4. Sharp focus like 𝒚𝒊𝒏𝒏𝒚𝒔𝒕𝒅𝒊𝒐𝒐 always looked like she was thinking deeply before speaking. That same energy can improve your studies. Instead of multitasking, train yourself to focus on one subject completely for 30 to 40 minutes. No scrolling, random music changes, or unnecessary tabs. Keep your desk clean and minimal to avoid mental clutter. When studying, ask yourself questions constantly to stay mentally active. 𝒚𝒊𝒏𝒏𝒚𝒔𝒕𝒅𝒊𝒐𝒐 strength was concentration and awareness. Deep focus helps you finish work faster and remember topics longer. Students who master concentration often study less hours but get better results. Quiet focus is more powerful than dramatic motivation or endless productivity trends. 5. Mysterious discipline. 𝒚𝒊𝒏𝒏𝒚𝒔𝒕𝒅𝒊𝒐𝒐 never needed attention to prove her intelligence. She worked quietly and let results speak for her. To build that same academic aura, stop announcing every goal online. Study consistently in private. Keep a notebook for goals, mistakes, and progress tracking. Small habits like reviewing notes daily, sleeping properly, and preparing before class create strong discipline over time. 𝒚𝒊𝒏𝒏𝒚𝒔𝒕𝒅𝒊𝒐𝒐 presence felt powerful because she was controlled and consistent. Real improvement happens silently before people notice it publicly. Become the type of student who surprises everyone with results instead of promises. Quiet discipline creates confidence that no external validation can replace.